Okay, so a little tricky question over here. You're looking at a limit of a composite function. It's arcsine, and inside you got that, 1 minus root x over 1 minus x. I just plug in and see what happens. You get 0 over 0, which is a big problem. All right. So one thing I know about the arcsine function is that there's a certain values that are allowed on the inside of that. Let me just review that with you. So, for example, the sine function, the invertible region is this one over here. All right, let's write this down. Y equals the sine of x. And the x over here is going to be between, this is invertible region, by the way, minus pi over 2 and pi over 2. And the y value is going to be between minus 1 and 1. Now, when we do the arc function, I'll write this over here, y equals the arcsine of x. Those domain ranges are reversing roles now. So my x now is going to be between minus 1 and 1, and my y value is going to be between minus pi over 2 and pi over 2. All right, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to look at the limit of the inside. So I'll write this over here. I'm going to write down, this is going to be arc sine of the limit as x approaches 1 all right, and the hope that I'm doing this over here is that the argument over here is going to be on this interval here. All right, let's take a look at it. And right now I got troubles. I got to do that limit, and we'll do it one step at a time. All right, so arc sine limit x goes to 1. I'm going to be multiplying, I'm going to factor it. So it's 1 minus root x, and the bottom factors to 1 minus root x times 1 plus root x. All right. Well, I know x is not 1, so 1 minus root x is not 0. So these are going to cancel off. So I think I can do the limit now. So it's going to be arc sine. And the limit of that inside function now is going to be what? Well, limit laws apply. And what are you going to get? 1 over 2. Certainly a number between minus 1 and 1. So what am I looking for? I'm looking for an angle now that gives me that ratio that's between minus pi over 2 and pi over 2. And let me put this right triangle down, because I think I can do it. And I got 1, I got 2. This would be root 3. This would be 30 degrees. And what's 30 degrees? It's 30 degrees is pi over 6. All right, let's see how we did. Let's see what the work looks like. Well, I'm seeing let's see the limit. I'm seeing that. I'm seeing that limit again. I did some manipulations over there like we did before, cancellations. I'm seeing me take the limit on the inside, which I did quicker than I did here, and then I see the limit of the inside is 1/2, and then I get pi over 6. Things are working as advertised. Thank you.